So we're excited to introduce a new thing called AgentKit. AgentKit is a complete set of building blocks available in the OpenAI platform designed to help you take agents from prototype to production.
OpenAI launches AgentKit, a no-code platform for building AI agents. At Dev Day, OpenAI introduced AgentKit, an all-in-one ecosystem of 3 tools for creating and integrating intelligent agents in minutes.
And we'll talk about a few of the core capabilities now. So the first one is Agent Builder.
Agent Builder, a visual drag-and-drop, no-code builder for multi-agent workflows. It includes ready-made templates, customer support, document processing, Q&A bots, logical conditions, loops, and integrations via MCP. Ramp built its custom agent in just 2 weeks instead of 2 quarters.
The second thing is ChatKit.
ChatKit lets you embed chat-based AI agents directly into websites and products. Canva integrated developer support in under an hour.
And then finally, evals for agents. And of course, agents need access to data. So with OpenAI's connector registry, you can securely connect agents to your internal tools and third-party systems.
Connector Registry connects agents to Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, Teams, and third-party MCP servers. Klarna now handles 2/3 of its customer requests through an agent built on this platform. AgentKit is now in open beta, included in existing API pricing, and positioned as a direct competitor to Zapier and N8N. Backed by ChatGPT's 800 million-plus user base, OpenAI and AMD have signed a major agreement. AMD will supply GPUs to power up to 6 gigawatts of OpenAI's AI infrastructure. As part of the deal, OpenAI gets warrants to buy up to 160 million AMD shares, approximately 10% of AMD, contingent on milestones. The move diversifies OpenAI's vendor base beyond just NVIDIA and indicates how critical hardware and compute partnerships have become in the AI arms race. OpenAI has terminated or restricted a number of ChatGPT accounts suspected of ties to Chinese government entities. The reasoning? Those accounts allegedly requested proposals for social media surveillance tools, a misuse of generative AI. The move underlines OpenAI's growing emphasis on safety, policy enforcement, and abuse prevention as its technology becomes ever more powerful. OpenAI has unveiled Sora, a video generation app that can create short clips based on copyrighted content unless the content holders explicitly opt out. Key points: videos can be up to 10 seconds long. Users can't generate videos of public figures or people without their consent. A liveness check is built in to reduce misuse of someone's likeness. The policy has sparked criticism from media and entertainment industries. For example, Disney has already opted out.